Hey fam, Shanice here. I just wanted to stop by and show you this awesome kit that I got off of Amazon. The company reached out and wanted me to check it out. This kit is only $35, you guys. Y'all know how much I love nails as one of my hobbies. I've never tried the dip powder kit before. But usually I do gel, so I thought this was interesting when they reached out. And once I seen it on Amazon for $35, I was like, yeah, I'll try it. So you guys look like it's a starter kit and it has everything you need. It's not like the gel nail where you have to get the nail lamp, all this little stuff or whatever. It has everything that you need. All these different colors come with it. It comes with even replacement brushes if you need those for the activator and the base coat and all of that stuff. Has the brush, the file, everything. Look at those colors and they are so vibrant. And what I did was it's just like a home manicure set, and I just had girl time with my daughter and we did do our nails, and I wanted to show you guys just how it turned out. And again, this is my first time doing it. There was no time to really perfect it or anything like that. It was just something that we were trying, and I want you guys to see how simple it is. The colors are absolutely beautiful. Like, look at that purple. That is giving. That is giving. And you guys will see in a minute how vibrant it is. Anyway, I'm going to put all of their information down in the description box below. If you want to check them out, I advise that you do because the prices are amazing. But shout out, you guys. Thank you so much for letting me try your product. And yeah, you guys, I'm going to turn the music on like I usually do. And yeah, talk to y'all later.
What you make it, I feel like I'm amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places, I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave in. All this that I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase. See my face, I was chasing at the paper. Been all it for the waiters, but everything again. somewhere